Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to implement the trip dates view. We are talking about this one, and when you click on the change button, you display this popover. So please, if you didn't subscribe, like this video, and let's start coding. Okay, this is where we left in the last video, and we will go to the detail view. Okay, we will start with a divider. Then we are going to have a text, a vstack first. Let's give it an alignment, alignment of dot leading, and let's give the spacing of 15. Okay, let's have a text, trip dates. Let's give it a font of headline and the font weight of semi-bold, and let's always also give it a foreground style of dark gray. Okay, very nice. Let's give it to this vstack an horizontal padding dot horizontal. Okay, nice. Okay, we will have an A stack here, an A stack, image, system name, and I believe it's calendar dot circle. Hope it's right. Yes, we will make it resizable, and let's give it frame and height with width and height of 24. Okay, for the haystack I will give it a spacing of 10. Okay, now after this we will check. Okay, we will give this and this. So first I will extract it in a subview before it gets messy. Okay, let's refactor it and rename it trip dates view. Okay, so it's always clean in my body because there will be a lot of coding today. Okay, now I will have a function that is called formatted date, add days of type integer, and the added days, this one, and returns a string. And if you are asking yourself what is this added days, it's the number of days we will be adding, because like you can see here, we by default we get the today date and the date that will come 2 days from today. That's why in the formatted date, when we give it 0, it means today. When we will give it 2, it means give me the one 2 days from now. So it will be let date formatter equal date formatter. Okay, and then it will be date formatter dot format date format, I think, for E, D, and N, I think. And we will return date formatter dot string from calendar dot current date. Okay, by adding point day, it means you add days. Value I will give it the added days. So whatever added day we choose, it will be value. For example, if we do, like I said, 0 means today, -1 yesterday, +1 tomorrow. Okay, and to date, the current date. Okay, and because it's optional, in case he fails, give me today. Okay, now we will go here in our VA stack and give him text. I will call my function formatted day. I will ask him to give it the current date, 0, and with a style of dot date. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, I don't need this one. Okay, hopefully this will work now. And text formatted date, and we will give him by 2. That's okay, and it should be inside the V stack. And I will give it an alignment of dot leading. Okay, nice. Okay, the next step will be to okay, we need also comma 10. It's by default for everyone, it's 10 a.m. so we need to concatenate the string, so this one, and then comma and okay, and comma 10. Okay, nice, I think. Okay, now we will need a spacer, then the button. Okay, so inside our A stack, after the V stack, let's give it a spacer, and then let's create a button, action and label, and label will be text. Change with a font of dot headline, font weight of semi-bold. Okay, and let's give the button a padding dot horizontal. Okay, I think it's very nice. Okay, I will just go back to my body here and just add a divider. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, maybe the font is different, but it's starting to look really nice. Maybe I will give it a font of bold. Anyway, we can go back to improve all this later. Okay, now the next step will be to, when clicking on the button, I need to show this popover. Okay, so on my V stack, after the padding, let's make dot popover. Okay, this one is presented. Let's make add state private var let's call it date picker presented or something like that. Date picker presented type boolean, and let's give it an initial value of false. Now here let's give dollar is presented. Okay. Let's give it an arrow edge of dot. Okay, so now okay, I need to make it to toggle. Okay, and here let's make date picker presented to toggle. So now when you click on it, it appears. Okay, very good. Okay, now we will start implementing this view. So we will start scroll view, and like always, let's give it a scroll indicators dot hidden, because when I'm scrolling I don't want to see that indicator here. That's why. Okay, I will inside it a vstack. Okay, and okay, we will start let's give the vstack a spacing of 30. Inside this vstack I want to create this one, so I make it a rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 1, with a frame width and height of 60 to 5, and the foreground style of gray 5. I believe that's one, and oh no, I need to be inside the color dot system gray 5. Okay, and let's give it also padding dot vertical. Okay, very nice. Okay, the next step will be to implement this. Okay, and to be honest, it's so easy to implement here using SwiftUI. I will show you. We'll write a stack. Inside my a stack, I said this one is date, so don't write it. It will be inside of vstack first, because okay, it will be text and give him date and the style of dot date, and I will also give a text of 10. I will give all this font of footnote, and this one I will give it dot font weight of bold. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Okay, really nice. Okay, I will have also a spacer in this image, this one. Okay, so after that I will have the spacer, and after the spacer I will have image, system name, and I will give him, I don't remember the name, it's this one, arrow shape dot forward dot fill. Okay, this one, and after that I will have another spacer, and then I will have another vstack. This one will be the same like the other one, but this one, like you can see, it's not, this one is today, this one is today later from today, so it will be like we saw before. It's calendar dot current dot date. This one, by adding, we will add days, day, value 2 days, to date, so it's today from now. And we will give okay, first thing we will, in case it's nil, it's to date, and I will give it also a style of dot date. Okay, it should be working now. We will also give it a font weight of dot bold. We will also have a text, because by default everything is 10 a.m. And then in our vstack, let's give it a font of footnote. Okay, so if we go to check it now, okay, it's very nice. Maybe the main difference now is we need a padding, horizontal padding. Okay, we'll give dot padding dot horizontal. Okay, nice. Okay, after that we will have a divider. Okay, very nice. The next step now is we will add this multiple date picker. So we will have, I believe, multi-date picker with selection and in. Okay. For the in, I will give a date and 3 points. Or it's, I believe, the opposite. No, it's the opposite. I will give it 3 points, then date, I believe. No, it's this way, this one. Date, then 3 points. What this means is, in the calendar, like you see here, you cannot select dates from the past when you make 3 points after that. If we made the 3 points before the date, it means you cannot select dates from the future, you can only select dates from the past. It's something very nice to know anyway. You may need one day. Okay. Okay, now we need select date, so date, I believe it's selected dates. I think it's set of date component. Hopefully I think it's one. Yes, I think this one. Yes, and we need to make it inside the initializer. Or why even need for initializer? I don't think we will even need an initializer here, just right here. Okay, an array of, or no, we will need no, we will need to declare it in the initializer. Okay, self select dates. Okay, I forgot to write var. this way for now, and then I'll check why he's saying no. Okay. Okay, I understand why now, I think. I need to make a declaration here. I think now I can make it private. And in my initializer, just I can just write self selected dates equal an array init. Okay, and you can write an option and enter to get all of them, not this one. I hate when this happens. Yes, option and enter to get all of them. We won't need calendar. We won't need all this. Second, minutes, all this we don't need it. We don't need hours also. We will need day, month, year, era we don't need. Okay, and we will need the time zone, so I give it .gmt in my case. Okay, for the year. Now for the year and this we need to implement it, so it will be private var, I'm sorry, pickup year calendar dot current dot component. He will return me the year from date. I will take pickup year and write it here, and I will convert it to integer. And okay, I will also make private var pickup month. It will be calendar dot current dot component, which is dot month from date. This will give me the current month. Okay, the next one is private var pickup day, which is calendar dot current dot component dot day from date, and we will pass him inside an integer of pickup day. Okay, now we need to do it another time, because like you can see, we now with what we wrote, it's like we selected the first one, but we want to select two dates, the pickup and the return date. So we selected the pickup date, now we want to select the return date. So we need to do all of this another time. And now we will need to private var. We will start with return day equal calendar current component, and it will be dot day, and now here we won't have calendar current dot date, and we will use this one by adding to dot day value to date. It means don't give me today, give me 2 days from now. Okay, and if it's nil, of course use today. And not convert value of type data. Okay, thing is wrong. Okay, prepare data, it should be date. Okay, very good. Okay, now we will give him for the day int return day. Okay, in our case, pick up month and pick up year. If I write return month and return year, they will be the same, but still we will do it anyway, because in our case we won't see a change because we are here in December, but 18 December. But if we were 30 or 31 of December, the result will be different in 2 days. But okay, so I will now copy and paste to win a little bit of time. Okay, I will call it return month. We will change just this to dot month. Okay, and we will do it again, and this time it will be return year. Okay, just to change dot year. Okay, we will give him now int return month and int return year. Okay, okay, we got an error, I don't know. Okay, strange. I think I know why. Okay, this one, because I need to give him dollar, what I call it, the selected dates. Now hopefully it will be building. One of the things I hate about Xcode, sometimes the error is not clear. So if you don't have a little bit experience, it might be a little bit confusing. Okay, I think nice, it's selected the 2 dates that we want. Maybe with the main difference now is a little bit of spacing. I will also give it a little bit of a frame also. Okay, I will give it dot padding, dot horizontal, and I will give it also a frame with a height of 320, and after that I want, I think, a divider there is. So if I run it, it should be okay. I think it looks nice, I think it's very good. Now we need to go to the slider. For the slider to work with the slider, we need add state to add state. I will give it add state private var. I think yes, start pickup. It will be a CG float equal to 10, and I will also give it add state var end return. It will be CG float equals 10. I don't know why I will choose this stupid name. I will call it our pickup and our return. it's the hour when you pick up the car, and the other one is the hour when you return the car. It's by default 10 for both. Okay. We will have a slider with value of start. Yes, this one hour pickup in 24, and the reason why I put it this way, because in a normal day you got 24 hours, so you got hour pickup inside 24 hours. Okay, and I want it inside an A stack. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing. I will look at it. Just I write this one. It will be a text start 10, and I will give it a foreground style of gray, but for some reason it's not showing the preview. I don't know if it's bugging. Okay, it's okay. I didn't click on it. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, we'll probably need to give it a little bit of spacing or padding. I meant padding of horizontal. We will do also the same thing another time, and this time and 10 a.m. and it's not our pickup but our return. Okay. Okay, I think it's very nice. Okay, maybe I give it a font of the headline, I think. It's nice, I think. It's good with a font of headline. Give it to both of them. Okay. Okay, the last step is to add the button now. So let's add the button. It will be button action label, and label this text. Save foreground style of dot white and a background of the blue. We will also give it a frame with width and height, with the width of UI screen, dot main, dot bounds, dot width minus 45 and the height of 45. Okay, also I want to give it a font of dot headline and font weight of dot semi-bold, and okay, and I will give it also a clip shape of a rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 8. If I go to check it now, okay, compared to the end up, we can see there is more padding, so I will give it also a padding of dot top. Okay, now if we check, okay, I think it's really nice. The app is starting to look really great. I think in the next video we will start implementing the other ones. We'll start to try to finish the detail view. We will implement hopefully the pickup and return, the cancellation policy, distance included, the insurance, car basic, description, and this one. So this is the end for today's video. I hope you like it. Please give us a like and please subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and as always, stay healthy, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.